How's everything with you? I need help!
Tomorrow, my dear, tomorrow we find something nice. And up again.
The Mountains of Shadow.
Welcome to the barge, Al-Ghazali.
Now please, be my guests and celebrate. And thank you.
Take it easy, sir.
No, it's my mistake. I thought I married someone with taste and class.
What did you find?
Tracks. Not deer, though. I'll keep looking.
More tracks?
Yeah, but they're too round. Could be a wild boar.
Good.
Oh! Now what?
This way, boy.
Hup!
How you doing?
me to accompany you.
Really?
Yes, I had planned to extend an invitation to you myself. I thought you might enjoy a butterbeer in the village. The timing of Professor Weasley's owl was perfect. I cannot tell you how nice it is to breathe fresh air after being cooped up in ancient rooms. Grave mistake to take it as an elective class, believe me.
I believe you.
Though I suppose you would not really call it elective when your mother was the one who elected that you take it. Hogsmeade is beautiful this time of year.
¡Bienvenidos a México! See you on the other side! Follow that car! Trust me! Be there soon. Should let Mom know I'll be late.
Miles, ¿qué tal? Did you get the shopping list?
Hey, Mom. Yeah, but, the bodega was out of coconut milk. Gonna check a store downtown.
Oh, thank you. But avoid Midtown. That prison convoy is making traffic a nightmare.
Oh, yeah. Good call. See you at dinner, Mom. Man, how does Pete do this secret identity thing? Completely stresses me out.
Hey, Tess. Hey, pretty lady, how you doing today? I heard you
Not
got
right
some
now,
next
Terrence.
No, it's good. Look,
Not
I got the car.
now. You hear me?
Okay, you can do that.
You touch it, you buy it.
Tess.
Where do you think you're going?
Malik, sit back down.
Oh, sorry, Tess. Didn't realize you two were together. Go ahead.
Who's that?
An old headache. Don't ask.